How to turn off push notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. Users can also prioritize notifications through focus modes and VIP lists for emails. On this page, scroll down and go to any app. For example, App Store. You can manage the App Store notification settings from here. Here, turn off the Allow Notifications feature at the top. You have now turned off all notifications for the App Store app. Following these steps, you can easily turn off push notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.